Hey cheeky monsters! Lots of people have pets at home. Some are big, some are small, and some are super fluffy. If you want to meet some of our cheekiest pets, then keep on watching. Oh, and don't forget to click subscribe.
Cheeky monsters, na 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 na, we're all cheeky monsters.
Oh, hey cheeky monsters, it's me, Kaya, and this is Rupert. Say hi, Rupert. Rupert is our new cheeky monster pet. He's cute, right? Did you know that the word pet is what we call animals that live in our house with us? That's right, and pets can be a big part of our family. Do you have a pet at home? Some people do and some people don't, and that's okay. You see, having a pet isn't best for everyone. It's a big responsibility as they need lots of things to make sure they are happy and healthy. But they can also be pretty cheeky, just like the cheeky monsters. Speaking of which, those cheeky monsters may be mischievous, but when it comes to taking care of pets, they are experts. Or should I say, pet-experts? Get it? Pet-experts? Oh, no. Rupert didn't seem very impressed with my joke, did he? Do you not like that? You didn't like it. You didn't like it. The cheeky monsters love pets because pets are often just as cheeky as them. Some pets love to run around and play with a ball in the park, just like cheeky monster Rocky. Others like to wiggle and wriggle around, just like cheeky monster Glitter and his glitter wiggle. While some are super clever, just like cheeky monster Drago. Some pets enjoy spending most of their time chilling out, just like cheeky monster Spike. And others jump and prance around the place, just like cheeky monster Violet. Like you, me, and the cheeky monsters, each pet has its own name, such as Baxter or Patches, and all have their own unique and lovable personalities. You'll notice that no cheeky monster looks the same. Some have spikes, some have horns, and others have wings. Well, the same goes for pets. Some are fluffy, some are scaly, and some are super slimy. If you decide to get a pet, there are 5 things you need to remember. Number 1. Always remember to give your pet plenty of food and water. Just like you, pets get hungry and thirsty too. That looks tasty. Number 2. Make sure your pet has somewhere to go to the toilet. For cats, that might be a litter tray, or for a dog, that might mean taking them for a walk outside to do their, business. Number 3. Pets love to play, so play with them to make sure they have enough exercise. But be careful not to knock over that. Oh, too late. Number 4. After all of that playing, your pet will probably start to feel sleepy. So make sure they have somewhere to sleep where they feel safe and calm. Nap time. Number 5, and the most important of all, make sure you give your pet lots of love and attention. Sometimes when you love your pet, you just want to give them the biggest squeeze ever because they're just so cute and you've never seen anything as cute in your whole life. But remember, pets can sometimes feel a little scared, so be careful not to pet them too hard and fast, just like Rocky. Instead, be slow and gentle, and they will be your best friend in no time. Having a pet is the best, and if you look after them, they'll look after you. See, I told you the cheeky monsters were pet experts. Now I wonder if Rupert here is hungry. Would you like a treat? You would! There we go! He was hungry. You see, that's the thing about pets. Each of them are different, which means they all have different needs. For example, if Rupert was, say, a bunny rabbit, he probably wouldn't want these treats. He'd probably want to eat something different, such as a carrot or an apple. Isn't that right? Bye! Look, we have another cheeky monster pet here, and this is Lola. Say hi, Lola. You come and sit down here with me, good girl. Lola loves to sleep in her bed. You know, pets all like to live and sleep in different places. Some pets live in their own little houses, such as hamsters and gerbils, and they are nocturnal, and that means they sleep mainly in the day, whilst other pets live underwater like goldfish. Did you know that goldfish sleep with their eyes open? There are so many different types of pets. Some like Lola here. Oh, what are you doing, Lola? And many, many others. Isn't that right? So exciting! Yeah! Some of our Cheeky Monster fans have pets at home too and have sent in some photos. Let's take a look. Hi!
This is Katie. Her favourite things are cheese and belly rubs. She is super cuddly and loves attention. Here we have Rio, a very cheeky parrot who always does what he wants when he wants. Up next is Betty, who loves to lick everyone she meets. She's very cheeky. Her favourite trick is to give you her paw. Her brother here is called Frank, and when he's not napping with his sister Betty, he is usually playing with his frisbee. Harley is an agility superstar. She can do every trick in the book and loves her ball. Oh, look at Romeo the cat. I'm sure you're not supposed to be playing there, Romeo. He also loves playing in empty boxes and bags. Denby here is with his best friend Chyla. They love playing in the garden together and then having a ham snack. Yum yum. Coco's name is actually short for coconut, and that's because she's all the way from the Caribbean. The beach looks lovely, Coco. Paul here has been very cheeky. He chewed up his dad's slipper. He now has the slipper as one of his favourite toys. Aww. Here are two 6-month-old adorable kittens called Patch and Smudge. Here they are up to mischief playing in boxes. Here's Geoffrey, the little fish, and he's just as grumpy as he looks. He loves to play and swim around with his best friend, the shrimp. Here's Ziggy and Twiggy. They're kittens and their brother and sister. Here they are having a cosy nap together. Lastly, we have Charlie, the cheeky cockapoo. He is owned by Harry and Lilia and loves playing with bubbles, balloons and snow. But don't let him find the bag of treats. He will rip it open and eat the whole lot. Very cheeky.
Hey, look who's here. It's Dolly. Say hi, Dolly. Oh, Dolly. Did you enjoy that? Me too. Those pets were so cheeky. But I think Dolly's here starting to feel a little bit sleepy, aren't you? Yeah, so we better go. But I hope you enjoyed learning all about pets with us, and we'll see you again very soon for some more cheeky learning. And remember, everyone has a cheeky monster. Which one are you? Goodbye, cheeky monsters. Say goodbye. Goodbye, Dolly.
We're all cheeky monsters.
Want to see more of our cheeky monsters? Then don't forget to click subscribe for our latest Cheeky Monster videos.